Hi, I'm Guy, and I was struggling with what to have for the next episode, and my wife gave me her old laptop. And when I say old, not that old, it runs Windows 11. And she said, quote, back up all my pictures and stuff, and then to just delete that user off of there. So I Googled it, and the GuyerCookReport.podbean.com has got the Google document in there and how to back up a Windows user profile manually to a USB drive. You first open Windows Explorer on the computer and you see how big a space you're going to need. Then you get a USB drive that's big enough, attached to the label, or steps, I guess you'd say, are in that Google document. So, take a look at that. I've got them so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.